Hello there, meet Max, this handsome ginger cat. He loves cooking, and today he's going to show you how to make a real English breakfast. This recipe is authentic, so feel free to cook along. For one serving, you'll need 2 eggs, 3 slices of bacon, 2 sausages, 2 mushrooms, 1 tomato, about 1/2 cup of canned beans to 2.5 ounces, 2 sprigs of parsley, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, salt and pepper to taste. Got everything ready? Great! Let's get started. Common Max, don't waste products. Step 1. Wash 2 mushrooms, pat them dry with a towel, and cut them into quarters. Heat up a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. Step 2. Add 3 slices of bacon, 2 sausages, and the quartered mushrooms to the hot pan. Cook until everything is done about 5 to 8 minutes. Season the mushrooms with a little salt. Once cooked, transfer everything to a plate. Oh no! Please be careful and don't mess with the pan like Max. Step 3. In the same pan, carefully crack into eggs. Try not to break the yolks. Fry them sunny side up for about 4 to 5 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolks are still runny. Season with a pinch of salt and transfer the eggs to the plate with the bacon and sausages. Step 4. Wash and dry 1 tomato. Slice it into rounds and add to the plate. Spoon on about 1/2 cup of canned beans. You can heat them in the microwave or in a small saucepan if you like. Garnish the dish with fresh parsley and it's ready to serve. Step 5. Finally, the best part. Enjoy your delicious breakfast. And don't forget to give Max a thumbs up. He really worked hard for this one.
Wow!